In this video, we'll show you how to install Anker SOLIX Smart Inlet Box. Anker SOLIX Smart Inlet Box connects to Anker SOLIX E10 and acts as a manual whole home backup system. This video will guide you through manual backup. Before installing, please check the following. It's recommended to consult a certified electrician to install Anker SOLIX Smart Inlet Box. Choose a proper installation position and ensure the connection cable can reach Anker SOLIX E10. Install the inlet box near the main panel and ensure a good Wi-Fi signal. Check that all items are included in the package. The following parts are not included. Please prepare them before installing. Optionally, you can also add a smart meter for smarter energy monitoring. Let's walk through how to wall mount Anker SOLIX Smart Inlet Box. Start by drilling a hole at the appropriate position. Secure the inlet box to a wood stud using any of the screw holes at the top. Tighten the remaining screws. Lastly, clean the debris and then remove the protective film. After installing, here's how you set up the electrical connections. Connect on-grid cables L1 and L2. Connect backup load cables L1 and L2. Connect the neutral cable. Connect the ground cable. Next, connect to the current transformers that are included. Clamp CTL1 around the L1 cable and CTL2 around the L2 cable. If connecting a third-party PV system, plug the CTPV into the designated port. Clamp CTPV around PV cable L1. If the CT cables are not long enough, connect the inlet box to Anker SOLIX Smart Meter wirelessly. Connect smart meter voltage cables to the breaker. Clamp CTL1 around the L1 cable and CTL2 around the L2 cable. Be sure to install an interlock. Secure the panel cover. Then, connect to Anker SOLIX E10 power module. Ensure that the on-grid cable is connected first. Fasten the screws. Then, connect the backup cable and fasten the screws. Next, here's how you power your devices. To prevent electric shock, ensure that the main and backup breakers are not powered on at the same time. For everyday use, turn on the main circuit breaker. Turn on the on-grid breaker. The power module will automatically turn on and enter pairing mode. Download and install the Anker app. Then, sign in or create an account. Select Device page. Then, tap Add Devices. Select Anker SOLIX E10. To complete the Bluetooth connection, press the IoT button. Select Build a Power System. Connect to the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. If you have a smart meter, tap Add another device to add to your system. Update firmware. Set up your power station. Select your area. Then, select your electrical panel specs. Select this if you have third-party PV systems installed. Where you install your third-party PV system affects how your home energy system charges and discharges. Choose the scenario that best matches your setup. Select your backup output settings. Turn on the AC output port to ensure continuous power supply in off-grid mode. Enable AC Always On to allow the port to automatically restore its previous status in the event of a power loss or shutdown. Once set up, the system will perform a self-check. Once self-test is completed, tap Start Now. Tap Accept. If your E10 is connected to Smart Generator 5000, you can tap here to add it to your account to unlock more features. Select Device page. Tap the plus icon on the top right corner. Tap Add a device. Select your smart generator. For safety, always run the generator outdoors, well away from windows, doors, and vents. Then, set up a network connection with a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Update firmware. Name your generator. Then, tap your generator and switch it to DC output. With that, your home energy system is all set up. To adjust settings for your home energy system, tap the Settings icon in the app. From here, you can set your power usage modes for your power station based on your needs. Next, let's configure the generator settings. Tap here to enable automatic start-stop for your generator. Make sure to place the generator outdoors. Then, set the start state of charge for your generator. Once set, the generator will start charging when the battery reaches the start limit state of charge. Choose from Turbo Mode, Eco Mode, or Quiet Mode to set your generator's running mode for the day. You can also adjust the duration based on your needs. Or, you can tap here to manually start or stop the generator. Slide to start the generator. Please refer to our online guide or Smart Generator Operation How-To video for more information on generator settings. In the event of a power outage, turn off the main circuit breaker. Switch the interlock to lock the main circuit breaker. Turn on the backup load breaker. Please note that the PV breaker must be switched off if you're using a third-party generator during a power outage. Turn on the power module by pressing the power button for 3 seconds. Press again to enable AC output. The light bar will turn blue, and the power module will begin supplying your backup loads. Or set AC Always On in the app in advance to enable automatic power supply during outages. When grid power is restored, turn off the backup load breaker. Switch the interlock to lock the backup load breaker. Turn on the main circuit breaker. The grid and the power module will continue to power your home loads. You're all set up and ready to power. To know more about installing Anker SOLIX E10, refer to our other videos.
Anker SOLIX. Live in power.